Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. I am literally so thrilled to have you here because honestly, we're looking at something that is genuinely transforming the entire landscape of modern care. We are exploring the absolutely fascinating world of advanced LED light therapy. Now, you might have seen these light therapy devices popping up in high-end dermatology clinics, or maybe you've heard whispers about them in advanced sports medicine or even veterinary circles. But today we're going to break down exactly how this technology acts as a universal healer. We'll look at the undeniable clinical science behind it, how it interacts with our very cells, and why this is rapidly becoming an absolute must-have investment for medical and wellness facilities.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for today. We'll start with Part 1, the science of LEDT. In Part 2, we'll cover healing the human body. Part 3 explores veterinary therapy. Part 4 breaks down device differentiators. And finally, Part 5 focuses on how to actually upgrade your Papua New Guinea facility.
Section 1, the science of LEDT. Let's get right into the facts.
What is truly fascinating here is where this technology actually comes from. Light-emitting diode therapy, which is also known in the medical world as photobiomodulation, well, it isn't just some new wellness fad. Its incredible potential was first innovated by NASA all the way back in the 1990s. The core of this clinical approach is using extremely specific, narrow-spectrum wavelengths of light to treat various diseases and conditions. And the best part? It uses completely skin-safe lights. It was exactly this high precision of narrow-band LED technology that first allowed it to make that massive leap from aerospace innovation into widespread clinical practice.
Now, it's really crucial to understand how this differs from traditional laser therapy, because they are not the same thing. Laser phototherapy uses coherent, high-intensity light, and while that's effective for certain things, it carries a very real risk of tissue damage and patient discomfort. LED therapy, on the flip side, uses non-coherent light at lower intensities. What does that mean for us? It gives it a vastly enhanced safety profile. It exhibits far fewer short-term and long-term side effects because it completely minimizes those risks of tissue damage. It's a painless, totally safe alternative that still manages to deliver powerful, cellular-level results.
And this brilliantly illustrates the real magic here. These safe wavelengths have absolutely incredible targeting capabilities. When exposed to targeted red and near-infrared light, the energy penetrates right from the epidermis at the top, down through the dermis, through the subcutaneous fat, the muscle layer, and all the way down to the bony layer. Different wavelengths of light penetrate to different depths. So, at the cellular level, your mitochondria, which think of them as basically the tiny energy generators of your cells, they absorb this light energy. And this absorption just supercharges them, allowing them to repair and replicate so much more efficiently. It's literally feeding your cells energy so they can heal themselves from the inside out.
Section 2, healing the human body. Let's see how this science applies to us.
Think of these light wavelengths like highly specialized tools in a doctor's kit. Every single one has a specific job. At 415 nanometers, which is your blue light, the therapy targets the surface of the skin. It acts as this antibacterial powerhouse, promoting oxygen radicals that kill acne-causing bacteria without damaging any of the surrounding healthy skin. Now, moving deeper, at 630 nanometers, we hit the red light range. This is essentially the holy grail for dermatology and anti-aging. Why? Because it stimulates collagen production, dramatically reduces wrinkles, and speeds up wound healing. Finally, we have the longer wavelengths, between 600 and 1,000 nanometers. This is the near-infrared range, and it has incredible tissue penetration. It reaches deep down into the fascial layer, the muscle, and even the bone. That makes it perfect for profound pain relief and deep physical recovery.
And because of that deep tissue penetration we just talked about, LED therapy is an absolute game changer for comprehensive pain management in orthopedics. We're talking from the top of the body, treating neck strain and cervical spondylosis, to complex shoulder issues like frozen shoulder and rotator cuff tears. Moving down the spine, it's highly effective for lumbar disc herniation and lower back strain. And right down into the lower extremities, it aids in treating knee osteoarthritis, meniscal tears, plantar fasciitis, and even gouty arthritis. By actively reducing inflammation and accelerating that cellular repair, it targets pain from head to toe, completely non-invasively. No needles, no surgery.
Section 3, veterinary therapy and recovery.
Now, what's really interesting is how these exact same principles are completely revolutionizing animal care. LED therapy addresses not just physical trauma, but psychological stress in animals, particularly in high-performance animals like horses. The therapy acts as a surprisingly powerful stress reliever. By shining these specific wavelengths on the animal, it actually stimulates the dilation of blood vessels, which drastically improves blood circulation. This delivers this huge surge of oxygen and nutrients to tight tissues, causing profound muscle relaxation. And even more amazing, the light therapy promotes the release of endorphins. Those are the natural opioid compounds in the animal's brain, which induce feelings of well-being and really help the animal cope with emotional and psychological stress.
Beyond just stress, though, it is revolutionizing advanced equine healing. For serious injuries, light therapy represents a highly promising treatment option. It significantly accelerates bone healing. For fractures, helping horses get back to an active life way faster. For soft tissue, light exposure helps increase the metabolism in damaged ligaments, speeding up what is notoriously a very slow healing process. It dramatically reduces wound healing time by accelerating the formation of new tissue, which, as a massive bonus, drops the risk of dangerous infections. And perhaps most importantly for chronic conditions, it offers a totally painless treatment for arthritis and arthrosis. This is huge, guys, because it can significantly reduce the animal's need for heavy, daily medications.
Section 4. Standout Device Differentiators.
Let's move to and see how this builds a complete ecosystem for any clinical setting. The hardware itself is just fantastic. These devices offer vastly different form factors to fit any need. For instance, you have a compact, targeted facial dome that is designed perfectly for a beauty spa or a dermatology bed. Meanwhile, you have a massive, full-body hanging panel that is ideal for covering large areas, like a patient's back or a horse's flank. The sheer beauty of this product line is its total adaptability. Whether you are doing focused, cosmetic, multidimensional skin rejuvenation or broad, heavy-duty orthopedic recovery, there is a physical device explicitly designed for that specific treatment space.
Under the hood, these devices are absolutely built for demanding commercial environments. They feature premium technical specifications, including dual wavelength synergistic technology. That basically means they can emit multiple wavelengths simultaneously to treat the epidermis and deep tissue at the exact same time. It's incredibly efficient. They also boast rigorous international safety standards, complete with CE and ROHS certifications. They are incredibly reliable, featuring integrated auto-timing functions, and, this is key, they're equipped with multiple integrated cooling fans. This thermal management ensures the devices remain safe and highly functional, even during continuous, prolonged use in a super busy clinic.
And despite all this advanced tech, operation is a breeze. Seriously, anyone can use it. Operators interface with the equipment through these intuitive, highly responsive touchscreen controls. With just a tap, practitioners can adjust the brightness, set precise treatment times, cycle through different pre-programmed treatment modes, and even switch languages. It completely removes the guesswork, ensuring that every single patient receives the precise amount of therapeutic irradiance required for their specific condition.
Section 5. Upgrade your P&G facility.
Now, I really want to talk directly to facility owners and buyers in Papua New Guinea right now. This technology represents the ultimate investment for your business. Because it is totally non-invasive and incredibly safe, it actually reduces your liability while simultaneously expanding the services you can offer. It is uniquely versatile. Think about it. A single investment can upgrade a busy hospital's orthopedic wing for post-surgery recovery, it can elevate a boutique wellness spa's anti-aging treatments, and it can provide cutting-edge medication-free pain relief at premium veterinary clinics. It's durable, it's wildly effective, and it is precisely what modern patients are beginning to expect when they walk through your doors. So, if you're a clinic manager, a physician, or an investor in Papua New Guinea, the absolutely crucial point here is securing the right equipment from the right partner. To bring this advanced LED therapy to your facility, you need to contact TradeLinked International Limited. You can find their complete catalog and get directly in touch with their supply team by visiting their official website right now as the single direct avenue to upgrade your practice with these exact devices today. I'll leave you with this final thought. The science of photobiomodulation is here, it's proven, and it is showing its worth from dermatology all the way to deep orthopedic recovery. So I have to ask, are you ready to revolutionize healing and absolutely outpace the clinical competition in Papua New Guinea? Don't wait for the future of medicine to pass you by. Visit tli.tlipng.com to transform your practice today. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer, and hey, here's to a brighter, healthier future for all of us.